Welcome to US Auto Madness. Today we are diving deep into one of the most advanced and capable modern battlefield machines ever built. The 2026 JLTV Military Truck. This is not just another tactical vehicle. This is the evolution of battlefield mobility, replacing older light utility platforms and redefining how modern armies move, fight, and survive in extreme conditions. Built under the Joint Light Tactical Vehicle Program, the JLTV is primarily produced by Oshkosh Defense, a company known for its high-durability military, engineering, and combat-proven vehicle platforms. The 2026 version of the JLTV represents the latest refinement of a design that has already proven itself in real-world combat environments. The goal was simple but extremely difficult to achieve. Create a vehicle that is lighter and more mobile than the old Humvee, but significantly more protected, more powerful, and more technologically advanced. What we get is a machine that feels less like a traditional military truck and more like a highly engineered battlefield system on wheels. At first glance, the JLTV looks aggressive and purposeful. Its angular armored body is not designed for aesthetics, but for survival. Every panel, every slope, and every joint has a function. The armor is modular, meaning it can be upgraded or replaced depending on mission requirements. In the 2026 update, survivability has been improved with enhanced blast protection underneath the chassis, designed to better withstand improvised explosive devices and mine detonations. The vehicle uses a V-shaped hull concept that helps deflect explosive force away from the cabin, increasing crew survival rates in hostile environments. Under the hood, the JLTV 2026 is powered by a high-performance diesel engine tuned for both torque and reliability. While exact configurations may vary by variant, the system is designed to operate in extreme heat, cold, sand, mud, and high-altitude conditions without performance failure. It is paired with an advanced automatic transmission system that allows smooth power delivery even under full combat load. This truck is not built for speed in the sports car sense, but it can reach impressive highway speeds for its size, while maintaining stability across rough terrain. One of the most important aspects of the JLTV is mobility. This vehicle is designed to go where most armored vehicles simply cannot. It features an advanced, independent suspension system that allows each wheel to react individually to terrain changes. This gives it exceptional off-road capability. Whether it is climbing rocky hills, crossing desert dunes, or navigating destroyed urban environments, the 2026 update further refines suspension, durability, and ride stability, making long missions less punishing for the crew inside. Inside the cabin, the JLTV is surprisingly modern for a military vehicle. While it is still rugged and functional, the interior integrates advanced digital systems, including multifunction displays, real-time diagnostics, navigation systems, and encrypted communication interfaces. Everything inside is designed for operational efficiency under stress. The seating is blast-resistant, and the layout is optimized to reduce injury risk during explosions or sudden impacts. Noise insulation and vibration control have also improved in the 2026 model, making it more survivable for long-duration missions. Protection is where the JLTV truly stands out. It is not a tank, but within the light tactical category, it offers some of the best protection available. The armor system is scalable, allowing mission planners to increase or decrease protection based on threat level and mobility needs. It can be fitted with additional armor kits, weapon mounts, and electronic warfare systems depending on operational requirements. The 2026 version also includes improved protection against small arms fire, shrapnel, and blast overpressure. Another major strength of the JLTV is its versatility. It is not a single-purpose vehicle. Instead, it serves multiple roles, including troop transport, reconnaissance, weapons platform, ambulance configuration, and command vehicle. Different variants allow militaries to adapt the same base platform for completely different battlefield functions. This reduces logistical complexity and makes maintenance more efficient across military fleets. In terms of battlefield technology, the JLTV is fully integrated into modern network-centric warfare systems. It can share data in real time with drones, command centers, and other vehicles. This means it is not just a transport vehicle, but an active node in a larger combat network. The 2026 update enhances electronic systems, improving cyber resilience and communication stability, suitable for long missions without constant refueling. This is crucial for military operations where supply lines may be stretched or under threat. Maintenance is another area where the JLTV has been carefully designed. Components are modular and accessible, meaning damaged parts can be replaced quickly in field conditions. In conclusion, The 2026 JLTV Military Truck is one of the most advanced light tactical vehicles ever developed. It is not just an upgrade over older systems, it is a complete redesign of what a modern military utility vehicle should be. From its armored survivability to its advanced electronics and battlefield adaptability, it represents the future of tactical ground mobility. This has been U.S. Auto Madness.